products are cut. Okay, today I figured I was going to do a how-to video on cleaning coins. I know when I first started, I had no idea how to clean coins that I have found. Now I want to warn you, this is for cleaning clad coins. You never want to put coins like this. You never want to clean them. Okay? Do not clean your silver coins that you find. Coins like this is a no-no. Do not clean them with this method I'm about to tell you. Another thing that you don't do, and I found this out the hard way, never mix pennies, these are my clad pennies in here, with nickels, dimes, or quarters. Because what will happen is they will take the color of the pennies. It doesn't affect the value of them, they just come out looking real funny. Okay, so what I like to, the way I clean my coins, and I've tried everything. I tried this first. This was a electronic jewelry cleaner. It worked a little bit, but I wasn't really impressed. One thing that really worked well was this Chicago rotary rock tumbler. I picked this one up at Harbor Freight. They have a single drum, and they also have one with a double drum. So it just depends on how much you want to spend. So what the ingredients we're going to use some Dawn dishwashing liquid, and this is ground walnut shells. That's the medium I use for cleaning. You can also pick this up at Harbor Freight as well. Okay, so let's go through the process. So these are some clad quarters, nickels, and dimes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of them into the drum. You'll notice some of them are fairly clean, some of them are pretty dirty, some of them were pulled off the beaches, out of tot lots, some of them were dug out of the ground. So usually what I do is after I get a quantity of clad, then I usually clean it. A buddy of mine that I go metal detecting with gave me a good idea. His name is Robert. He takes his clad and buys silver with it. I thought that was an outstanding idea, so I'm going to start doing that too. In the past, I just cashed it in at Christmas time and used it for Christmas dinner, but I like the idea of purchasing silver with it because this is money that I just found. Okay, this is stuff that was found in the course of metal detecting, and if I use it, if I purchase silver with it, that's kind of like just like an investment. And of course, the silver always has the potential to gain value. So it's kind of like free investment. Alright, so from here, I've got the coins in there. I'm going to put some walnut shells in. And this is in a big box. This box right here, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark under there. That's full of walnut shells. So they only sell the big boxes, at least at Harbor Freight. But I figure I'll be cleaning a lot of coins. And then I take the Dawn and put the Dawn in on top. Alright. And then just some regular old tap water. Put a little bit more in there. Alright. Now I'm going to stop the camera for a second so I can pick some things up, and then I'll start it right back. You can see I can use this thing quite a bit. You want to make sure you get a good seal, otherwise you'll end up with water on your counter. There we go. Alright, put that there. Put the lid on here, push that down. And the washer goes on top of that. And then we lock it all down with the little nut. All this comes together. Put it down there good and tight. Make sure we got a good fit. Alright. Now, take the drum, put it on the tumbler, and cut it on. We'll start speeding up here in a second. Usually I spray a little WD-40 before I get started. I didn't do that this time. And this is going to run for about 10 hours. Okay, so we will come back, because I'm not going to hold this on here for 10 hours. Besides, you wouldn't look at the video if it was that long. So we will come back after 10 hours and continue this process. What we've got here. You gotta excuse me, I'm holding the camera with one hand. I don't have my head mount on. Alright, I'm gonna put this down so I can open it up. Notice this slurry in here. That is, do not flush that down the sink. If you put that down in your sink, you're going to have some major plumbing issues. So what we're going to do, I use a colander, and we're going to take this outside. Let's see what we got. Take the contents from the drum and pour them into the colander. So go ahead and rinse out you can see all the dirt and muck washing away. Clean that out. Set that aside. Rinse off the coins. You'll notice some of the quarters are still stained, but all in all they're clean. Got all the dirt and muck off of them. And that's Rooney. Hello, Rooney. He's not too sure about what I'm doing here. You can see the corns are a lot better shape than when they went in there. Like I said, some of them are still stained. Imagine if I put it in there a little bit longer to get those, and then others are fairly clean. Now it's just a matter of separating these to the right denomination. Alright, so that's how I clean my coins. And we're gonna go out here right now and then see if we can find some more. Alright, let's follow the beat.